Hey, what's up guys, Tech Jake here, and today we're talking about something that may not get the same spotlight as smartphones or high-end gaming gear, but in the world of office tech and productivity, it's a beast. I'm talking about the Fujitsu Image Scanner fi-8190. Now, when you hear scanner, your mind might jump to something clunky sitting in the corner of an old office. But the fi-8190 flips that whole idea. This thing is sleek, powerful, and built for environments where speed, precision, and volume matter. Let's break it down. Right off the bat, the design is clean and compact. You're getting that traditional Fujitsu professional look, matte finish, minimal buttons, and an ADF that folds in perfectly. It's not made to be flashy, but it's definitely designed to disappear into a clean workspace. And that's something I actually appreciate. No nonsense. All business. What's really impressive here is performance. We're talking about scanning speeds up to 90 pages per minute. That's not just fast, that's enterprise-level fast. And this thing is duplex by default. So if you're running double-sided documents through it, that's 180 images per minute. Let that sink in for a second. Now the ADF, that's the automatic document feeder, holds up to 100 sheets. That makes batch scanning a dream. You can dump an entire stack of forms, contracts, invoices, whatever, hit start, and the fi-8190 just chews through them. No jams, no misfeeds, no drama. And when it comes to image quality, Fujitsu's not messing around. The fi-8190 packs optical resolution up to 600 dpi, which means everything from tiny font sizes to fine print on legal documents comes out crisp and readable. Whether you're scanning color brochures, black and white forms, or mixed documents, the output stays sharp. Let's talk tech for a sec. You've got intelligent paper protection, which means the scanner detects if something's about to go wrong with the feed and stops before your document gets destroyed. You've also got image cleanup, auto-cropping, blank page removal, and skew correction built right into the software, so your scan docs come out polished without any extra steps. And here's what I really like. It doesn't matter if your workflow is on Windows, Mac OS, or even within a document management system, the fi-8190 supports Twain and ISIS drivers. That makes it super compatible with a ton of business software. On the connectivity side, you're looking at USB 3.2 Gen 1 for high-speed data transfer. Simple plug-and-play experience. There's no wireless option, but honestly, for this class of scanner, wired is king, faster, more stable, and more secure. Now, if you're someone dealing with a high volume of paperwork, whether you're in legal, finance, healthcare, education, this scanner will seriously cut down your time and raise the quality of your output. And for home office warriors, if your workflow demands scanning a lot of documents regularly, this thing is basically a one-time investment that'll pay off for years. One more thing that stood out to me, build quality. This thing feels durable. It's clearly built to handle thousands of scans a day. The rollers are solid, and everything just feels engineered with longevity in mind. Fujitsu even rates this for up to 70,000 sheets per day, which is pretty wild. Alright, to wrap this up, the Fujitsu Image Scanner fi-8190 isn't trying to be a flashy, mainstream gadget. It's a purpose-built machine for serious scanning needs. It's fast, reliable, and packed with intelligent features that make your workflow smoother. If you're someone who values productivity and dependability, and you're tired of slow, jam-prone office scanners, this might just be your upgrade. So yeah, if you're interested in picking up the Fujitsu fi-8190, I've dropped the link in the description below. Go check it out, and as always, if you like this kind of content, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech that actually gets stuff done.